Hello everyone, welcome back to English Growth Hub. Today I have a wonderful story for you. It's simple, fun, and will help you learn new English words. Let's start with our story. It's called The Honest Woodcutter. Once upon a time there was a woodcutter. Woodcutter means a person who cuts wood. He was poor, but he was very honest. Honest means always telling the truth. One day he was cutting wood near a river. Suddenly his axe slipped from his hand and fell into the river. Axe is a tool used to cut wood. The woodcutter was very sad.
Oh no, my axe is gone. How can I work now?
At that moment, a kind fairy appeared. Fairy means a magical, helpful being. Why are you so sad?
I dropped my axe in the river. I can't work without it.
The fairy wanted to help. She dived into the river and brought up a golden axe. She asked, "Is this your axe?" The woodcutter said, "No, that's not my axe." Next, the fairy brought up a silver axe. She asked again, "Is this your axe?" The woodcutter said, "No, that's not mine." Finally, the fairy found his old iron axe. Iron is a strong, heavy metal.